Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool event here, and please what this is a Wi-Fi range extender. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular it is the AC750 that's dual band. So if you guys do have issue like me where when you guys do set like your Wi-Fi or router or modem, it might not be far enough, so you probably want to get one of these to extend it so that way you can actually use it. So right here they do provide you guys some specs and features about the product. Same thing on the side right here as well. And then on the side right here there's some more. And also on this side right here they provide more specs and features about the product. So for the product it does have dual bands, so allow you guys to use it for 5 or 2.4 GHz. And they mentioned the coverage that's on here can give you guys 1200 square feet of coverage when you guys do extend it from your original destination of where your router and your modem is. But right here is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, first the inside they do provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that we do have the actual product. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So very nice design in terms of the way how to design the product. But we do have the brand name and we do have the indicator light to show you guys which one's on and off. Right here we do have the reset button. And in the back part right here, we do have the serial number, etc. That's where my hand's covering. I want coverage for privacy reason. But right here, we do have the plug for you to plug it into your wall to actually activate the product and use it. And the bottom right here, we do have the Ethernet option for you to plug it in if you guys want to use that. And then here we do have another reset button. So this is probably the main reset button for you guys to do the factory reset. And this one is the other reset button for you guys to reset the other option that's on here. And that is pretty much everything that's included in the package. So if you guys are curious about how to set it up, it's actually pretty easy. If you guys just look at the instruction manual right here that provided for you guys, they provide us everything on here. And it does give you guys the option to connect it onto the app. So that way you guys do have the control on your phone. If you guys are maybe away, maybe if you guys want to use it like your Airbnb or some kind of apartment. But pretty much the app that you guys want to download is called Tether. So I'm actually download that first and we'll connect it to show you guys how it does work. So once you guys go on the app, this is what the app should look like. Once you guys click on add device, I couldn't show you the main page because it does have some privacy information. But once you guys click on add device, you guys get on this page. So you guys want to add what you guys want. So in this case, if you guys want to add your range extender, click right there. Follow the step in terms of how to set it up. Then you're pretty much all set. So because the router and the modem is not in this room, I do have to go set this up somewhere else. So what I'll do right now is to plug this in and connect it and show you guys how it does work and how to connect as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have my outlet. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys plug it in and see how the light does turn on. So what you have to do right now is let it all load up for all the light first. And once it all pops on the light, then you guys are ready to connect it. So I'll give it a few minutes to kind of load up first. And if you guys ever forget about how to know when it's connected or when it's ready, you guys can always refer to the instruction manual or look at the app as well. So until the light itself is fully solid, then you guys are ready to use it. So right now it looks like it's good. Let me give it a try and see what happens. Alright, so it got connected. It tells you guys to set a password. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so it's currently connecting. So once you guys got connected, it asks you guys connected onto a 2.4 network. So depending on what your network is, you guys want to connect it. So I'm actually do that first. So once you guys got connected, it gives you guys pretty much the same name on the device, but it adds the EXT for extension on the end. And now it's applying the setting on here. So give it a few seconds to kind of finish first, and then we'll test it out. But you can see on the device right now, it's showing you guys all the light does turn on, which is a good sign. But it's still applying setting on here, so give it a few seconds. On the top right corner, you can see how it's connected onto the Wi-Fi. So it does work so far. We'll let it finish first. Alright, so it looks like we're done. So it's ready to start using it. So right now I'm connecting it onto my Wi-Fi. So it might take a few minutes. Alright, so we got connected. So this is what the app looks like once you guys got connected. And see how it labels 2.4 or 5G, so that way I know which is which. And feel free to change the password later on if you guys do need to. But I love how I show you guys how many clients on here in terms of how many people are using the actual device, which is pretty cool. So you can see how once you guys got connected, there is two different Wi-Fi on here. One of them is the original one that's connected and the other one is extender. So this is what it actually looks like once you guys do have it connected. And if I do run the speed on here, let me show you guys how fast it's running. Alright. So you can see the speed on here is fine, nothing's wrong with it. So definitely when you guys do set up the extender option on here, it definitely does work. And now I can definitely start using it in the hallway right here, where usually if I don't have this set up, I cannot use it. Now I can start using it because I do have this option, which is pretty cool. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely does work and it works quite well. And you see the whole installation process is not that hard. Once you guys got connected onto your app, and once you guys do have the product connected onto the wall, you guys can see that it connected really easily if you guys do follow the instruction correctly. So that way, if you guys do need to extend your Wi-Fi from one room to another or throughout your whole entire room, maybe in the basement that doesn't get the coverage, you guys can definitely get one of these to extend it to give you guys that coverage that you do need, which is pretty cool. And the fact that this product allows you guys to use it for any kind of router is even more awesome. So whether if you guys do have a regular router or if you guys have a mesh router, it should work. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality Wi-Fi range extender to extend your Wi-Fi to make it further to give you guys a lot more coverage than where it currently is, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.